Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. We're colouring up this beautiful image by Julia Spiri. Let's pop in and have a look. Welcome to this speed colouring, guys. This is an image called The Inspiration by Julia Spiri. It's one of her new grayscale images. I decided to colour it up on some tan tone paper. This is a Strathmore tan tone paper, and I'm using some Caran d'Ache Luminance pencils and also Caran d'Ache Pablos as well. I hope you enjoyed this speed colouring. It was loads of fun. If you'd like to see a complete full version of this tutorial, please pop over to Patreon and have a look. I'll pop the link in the description below. If you'd like to purchase the images, I'll also pop those links in the description as well. Thanks guys so much for watching these videos, and if you haven't subscribed, please do so. Don't forget to click a like if you liked the video as well. You can also follow me on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter and Vero. Thanks so much for watching, guys, and I will see you in the next video.